Lots of people build Lego sets these days, but a lot of people don't know how to make their own creation, or MOCs as they're called in the AFOL, that's Adult Fan of Lego community. So what we're going to show you to do today is how to take this set, one of the Creator Exotic Parrot sets, and turn it into, in this case, the 4 Disney Enchanted Tiki Room birds. So one of the things to realize when you're trying to modify an existing set is how you get from this set to something else. And one of the things you do is order your own parts. Now, not everybody realizes, well, maybe not everybody realizes, after you get to the end of the booklet, they have the entire list of all the parts, including the quantities you need. This is a Creator 3-in-1 set, so there's 3 different instruction manuals. It's actually only in the last one in this case. But even if you can't use this, if you don't have the set or you don't want to buy the set you want to modify, you can get the complete instruction manuals online from Lego directly, and that includes the parts list, and then you can follow that up by using the instructions that they provide. Now, you can either download the PDF, or if you have an iPad or a tablet or even your phone, they actually have a set of an app that's just the instructions. So you can download that, run it through, and then just follow those on your device. And during the build today, Sheila's going to use the manual. I'm going to go ahead and use my tablet with the app downloaded for the parts that I need to refer back to. Other than that, it's just as simple as ordering the parts. So we'll go up to the computer and I'll show you how to do that.
The first thing you want to do is go to Bricklink. It's now owned by Lego, so you can buy the parts, but they can buy them from individual sellers, almost like an eBay or an Etsy sort of situation. Go up to the search there where it says all items and enter in the number. You'll find those in the back of the instruction books, and that'll open up the individual parts that you need. All you have to do then is select them in the color you want, and then if you go up to the top there, it is add to wanted list. And once you do that, you can add it to a specific one that you want. Then it's just as simple as changing the colors if you need to, and doing the same thing over again. You want to add it to your wanted list, change your quantity to where you want it to, add to the list. Then when you're ready to do something else, it's just rinse, wash, and repeat. Go up, put the new number in for your search criteria, and then move on to the next piece that you need, and same deal. Once you've saved up all the parts you need, go to your profile, go down to on the right there where it says wanted list, go ahead and open that up, click the one that you are using, so in this case the Tiki Birds. And if you click on Easy Buy, Bricklink will go ahead and put together a way to buy all the parts on your wanted list from as few stores as possible. This isn't perfect, but having done it myself the hard way, it's a lot faster. One thing is you want to make sure that you have the right numbers. Turns out whenever I did this one, we didn't actually have all the pieces ordered, so we had to go ahead and do a second one, another order later on after the fact to finish off our parts. And you can see there once it comes up and it's done, you'll have the option to buy, and I'll show you exactly what stores you need, how much it'll cost. One thing to watch out for is where they're shipping from. In some cases, you'll have all the parts, but they're coming from Europe and the shipping ends up being more than the parts. If you're okay with that, go for it. If not, maybe reset your search criteria to only look within the US or North America. But you can see there that all of the parts are ordered. All you have to do is hit add to cart, then view cart, and you can see where they're all coming from and how much it's going to cost approximately.
And here's the finished birds. You can see we started with just one single bluebird. And now we have the whole Glee Club. There's still a few parts that we're missing. Just need the parts to attach the feet. But beyond that, we went ahead and made up a quick little perch for them all. Just some 2x2 rounds with some Technic bars to hold them together, and attach those all together so they could all sit and be all happy together.